Hello students, today we will learn operation of fractions. At first we will see conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed number. We will always remember in the mixed number the numerator of the fractional part is smaller than its denominator. It means the numerator is always smaller than the denominator in mixed fraction. Let's see the examples, operations of fraction. At first, improper into a mixed fraction. At first, write improper number. In improper number, always numerator is greater than denominator. Let's example write 7 by 2. Here numerator is 7 and denominator is 2. It means the numerator is greater than denominator. This is improper fraction. Now I will change the improper fraction into mixed fraction. At first divide 7 by from 2. For example, look at here 2 and 7. Say the table of 2.
2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6.
Yes, 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. 8 is greater than from 7. It means here write only 2 3s are 6. Subtract 7 minus 6 1. You can write from here. You start from here and then go here. Start from 3 upon 1 by 2. This is mixed fraction. And we will always remember in a mixed fraction the numerator is less than to the denominator. Here 1 by 2, it means the one numerator is less than from denominator. This is mixed fraction. The 7 by 2 equal to 3 upon 1 by 2. It means the improper fraction convert in mixed fraction. As usual, you convert the mixed fraction in improper fraction. Now we will see the conversion of mixed number into an improper fraction. Next we will now conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now we will convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now at first let the examples of mixed fraction. For example, 3 upon 2 by 5. This is what? This is mixed fraction because the numerator is less than from denominator. It is mixed fraction. Now the mixed fraction will change in improper fraction. Now what we will do? This one 5. At first we will do 5 multiply 3. You at first multiply this one. How much? 5 3s are 5 3s are how much? Tell me.
5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15.
5 3s are 15. And now we will add with numerator. 15 plus 2 how much?
17.
17. Total 17. Now we will write 17 by 5. Here the numerator is greater than denominator. It means this is improper fraction. See, the mixed fraction will change into improper fraction. It means 3 upon 2 by 5 equal to 17 by 5. Mixed fraction change in improper fraction and improper fraction change into mixed fraction. Now we will solve the practice set 9. First number question, convert into improper fraction. Here given some mixed fraction, we will change it into improper fraction. First number is question is 7 upon 2 by 5. This is mixed fraction. We will change into improper fraction. It means at first multiply 7 into 5 how much? 37 5 ja 35. Okay, and again add 2. How much? 35 plus 2 37. It means it comes 37 by 5. This is the answer of this mixed fraction change into improper fraction. Next number B number is 5 upon 2 by 1 by 6. Here again at first multiply 5 into 6. 5 6 is 30 plus what is denominator? 1. Add 1. 31 by 6. This is the answer of this mixed fraction. 5 upon 1 by 6 is equal to 31 by 6. C number is 4 upon 3 by 4. Again multiply 4 into 4 equal to 16 plus how much? Numerator 3. 16 plus 3 19 by 4 is improper fraction. Next one is D number 2 upon 5 by 9. 2 multiply 9 how much? 18 plus numerator how much? 5. 18 plus 5 23 by what is denominator? 9. 23 by 9. E number last one is 1 upon 5 by 7. Multiply 7 into 1 how much? 7. Yes. Now again add how much? 5. Because numerator is 5. 7 5 plus 5 is equal to how much? 12. By denominator is 7. You can write 7. Now we will change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Next we will solve second number questions. Convert into mixed number. Here given some improper fractions. Now we will change into mixed number. It means given the improper fraction one number is 30 by 7. How to change the improper fraction into mixed fractions? At first what do? You divide 7 30. Take the table of 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 4 7 2 is 14. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is 35. Yani 35 is greater than, it means 7 4 is 28. Subtract 30 minus 28 is 2. Here this is remainder. How can write from? You can write from here. Understand? It means you can write 4 upon 2 by 7. This is mixed fraction. It means the 30 by 7 change in mixed fraction. It is 4 upon 2 by 7. Next number question B number is what? 7 by 4. Again same as usual. Divide 4 7. 4 1 is 4 minus 3. Here it means start from here 1 upon 3 by 4. C number is 15 by 12. You divide 12. 15 from 12. 12 1 is 12. 22 is 24. It means 1. 5 minus 2. 3. 1 minus 1 0. 3 is the remainder. Start from where? Here. It means you can write 1 upon 3 by 12. Next question is 4 number is 11 by 8. You divide 11 from 8. 8 1 is 8. Subtract 8 9. 9 10 11. 3. Start from here. You can write 1 upon 3 by 8. 5 number is 21 by 4. divide 4, 4 4 ja 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 5 divide 21 minus 20, 1. It means you can write 5 upon 1 by 4. You always start from here. 5 upon 1 by 4, just like. 6 number last one is 20 by 7. 7 divide 20, divide from 7. 7 14, 7 3 is 21. It means you can write 2, 7 2 is 14. 10 minus 4 is equal to, you can carry out 10 minus 4, 6, 1 minus 1, 0. What is the remainder? 6 is remainder. You can write 2 upon 6 by 7. This is the answer of the improper fraction changing to mixed fraction. Next question is, look at here, write the following examples using fractions. It means write the following examples. Here given some examples using fraction. It is converted into fractions. If 9 kg rice, how much rice? 9 kg is shared amongst 5 people, how many kilograms of rice does each person got? It means how much rice? Rice is 9 kg. Okay. And person, how many? 5. Now we will change. It means give 9 kg rice into 5%. It means you at first divide 9 from 5. 5 1 ja 5. You subtract 9 minus 5, how much? 4. You can write, just start from here, 1 upon 4 by 5. It means one person got 1 kg 4.5 kg rice. You can write 1 upon 4 by 5 rice got to 1 person. As usual, question number 4, let us see. To make 5 shirts, how many shirts? 5 shirts of the same size, 11 meters of cloth is needed. How much cloth is needed for one shirt? It means 11 meters cloth needed for 5 shirts. Then one shirt make how many meters take? How many shirts? 5. How many clothes? How much length of clothes is? 11. Length of clothes is 11 meters. It means we require 11 meter clothes for 5 shirts. How much length of the one shirt? You, as usual, same. You divide 11 from 5. 5 to the 10. Subtract 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, and here is 1. You can start from here. We got 2 upon 1 by 5. We require 2.15 meters for one shirt. You can write 2 upon 1 by 5 meters required for one